Gives us a great lesson that in these 10 days we should be making things up with people, forgiving people, being good to them, sacrificing our shaitani desires and anger and other emotions. Because they are sacred, one should make one's heart sacred in these 10 days. Because they are sacred, one should make one's mind sacred as well. Because they are sacred days, one should keep his eyes sacred as well. And how? Actually by honoring the commands and the limitations of Allah. They are sacred, one should keep one's tongue sacred. Sacred means pure. They are sacred, one should keep his livelihood, his earnings sacred. They are sacred, one should practice haya, which was one of the greatest quality which Sayyidina Uthman bin Affan radiyallahu ta'ala anhu stood out.